So I just changed the oil. This is the oil. I managed to take off all the fairing in the front, so I can deep clean inside. That's something I wanted to do for a long time. I can also change this piece. This piece is scratched here. See? So I can change it for this one. New one. Deep clean the fairing also. Very dirty. So yeah, basically you have to take off everything, to take off the fairing, take off all the bolt here, and take off this. So you take off this part first, take it off, then you open those one here, and then slowly you just take it off. There's one thing comes here, which is that. This one. And then after there's some clip going here. It's not hard to take off at all, just be careful, but you know, you got the clip here going there, so it's pretty easy to take off. It's been a year since I have the bike, and I never cleaned it. Well, actually 14 months now, so I'm gonna give a good clean everywhere. So yeah, very dirty. It's really fun. You know what I mean? You just put everywhere. It will just help the grease. So I'm just gonna go to the bike like this, and then do the fairing first, then after clean up the bike. But guys, don't put this W40 on the brake. It's not good. It's not secure. I actually done it a few times. That's why I know. So if you're new like me and you don't know, this is the carburetor. Carburetor is here, the hair box is here, and it goes down here. So yeah. So I've been craving for mushroom burger for a while now. So I was like, fuck it. Told my wife, let's go out tonight. Ooh! Let's go out tonight, celebrate whatever. Just go out, eat mushroom burger, you know. I actually haven't edited a lot of video lately. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, there. It's quite big. I thought it was like a small one, you know? I thought like it was a small one. Okay. Went to like a service for funeral last time. My wife went there. Anyway, I actually haven't edited. I don't know how I'm gonna do. I haven't edited a lot of video lately. Normally I do it on my day off, but then this week is split off, and the first time I was sleeping today, I was sleeping, but also take care of my bike, change my oil, take off my fairing. Take me longer than I thought. Taking off the fairing is very easy, put it back together, that was the struggle. Actually I ended up with 2 screws. I know where they're going, but the problem, they don't screw anymore, they just turn in the, you know, it's like you're turning for, you just turn on themselves. They don't fit anymore basically. So the bike is still, you know, it's normal, but there's just 2 screws missing. Yeah, shit happened. So yeah, just an update vlog basically. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this editing thing this week, because at the end of the week, so now we are Sunday, at the Saturday Sunday I'm off. Saturday we do a feeding for kids. Ah, for fuck's sake, the second one just broke. Getting crazy with this fucking I need to get off, sorry. We're just fucking light, man. It just broke. Huh? No, that's the second one. Fuck me. I'll do the same as last time. I'll do the same as last time. Well, I take off my socks and I put it on. Fuck's sake. Fuck, no socks. Hey. I need to fix it. Oh fuck, I need to fix it when you get home. Can fix it tomorrow. I'll take off the other one at least. Just to be safe, no? Fuck man, seriously. I should have changed it, to be honest. I should have done it last time. Last time we had on the other side, and then I still got the spacer anyway to change it. And then what I did, okay now? Last time I was lucky that I had a spare socks in my box, so I put my socks on top to limit the damage. And the next day I changed the spacer, and then I should have changed the other one, but I didn't. This is the result you get. Anyway, what I was saying, I don't remember. Oh yeah, update. So yeah, after that day on Saturday we go to do fitting, and then the next day we going to Subic. I think we go to Angeles, somewhere like that. So Angeles, Subic, we're going for a road trip. So I have more content, but no time to edit. So I'm gonna take a week off, and then you know what? Actually, I take a week off, but then I upload some. I will upload some video of when I first came to the Philippines. Still the travel vlog. So I'm gonna get to the, you know, when I really move and looking for a job here, so you can see a little bit how my life was when I came. Busy today because they just finished church. Fuck, Burger is busy as fuck. Busy as hell. Busy as fuck. Food was nice. Yeah, it's always nice though. They actually have the sisig, mushroom sisig now. Didn't get any dessert. I'm gonna go to McDonald's, grab some ice cream, something like that. But anyway, that was my update. Quick update on my vlog coming up. You actually have a lot of things, you know, basically it takes longer to upload, to edit, because the daily observation I just have to put them together and edit. But when I do vlog, like not like today, but like longer vlog, it just take time to, because I need to cut, put some music, cut again, and put it back together, and then do the voice, and then yeah. I'm just gonna make also because of 4 years of our Manila soon. Just gonna make a few video on the way I motovlog and the way you can do YouTube. Some advice basically. Come on guys.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my